Magandang umaga po at welcome po sa ating programa, My Morning Mana with Pastor OG. Ang awitin po na inyong narinig ay Celebrate Me Home by The Perez sa kanila pong album na Blue Skies. Sa wala pong pagtatagal ay buksan po natin ang ating mga Biblia sa aklat po ng Mga Gawa, Kapitulo 20, versikulo 22 hanggang 24 po. Ito po ang pagkasabi, ngayon sa utos ng Espiritu, ako'y pupunta sa Jerusalem at hindi ko alam kung ano ang mangyayari sa akin doon. Ito lamang ang aking alam. Sa bawat bayang dinalaw ko, ipinahayag sa akin ng Espiritu Santo na ang naghihintay sa akin dooy pagkabilanggo at kapighatian. Subalit walang halaga sa akin ang aking buhay. Maganap ko lamang ang aking tungkulin at tapos ang gawaing ibinigay sa akin ng Panginoong Hesus, ang pagpapahayag ng mabuting balita tungkol sa kagandahang loob ng Diyos. This morning, our subject is driven by gratitude. Si Apostol Paul po ay determinado sa kanyang pagkatawag bilang lingkod ng Panginoon. Sinabi niya, nothing can stop me. Ang King James Version po ay matindi ang pagkasabi no sa verse, yung last verse ng 24, sinabi niya, but none of these things move me. Para ba sinabi niya, walang anuman ang makakapigil sa akin. Hindi mahalaga sa akin ang buhay ko. I just want to finish what the Lord have started, no? Sa buhay ko. Para kay Paul, mahirap tanggihan ang tawag sa kanya. He was driven by something greater than any force. Ito po ang napakahalaga sa isang Kristiyano. Ano ba ang nagdadrive sa buhay natin upang gawin ang mga bagay-bagay? May isang tao po na sumulat ng libro, no? Ang pangalan ay si Leo Tolstoy. Ang pangalan po ng kanyang libro ay War and Peace, which is a very thick novel na meron po maabot po ng 1,000 pages. It was known, kilala na, no? But after that, still, he keeps on writing. He keeps on writing kahit matanda na siya, kahit pagod na siya. But still, he keeps on writing. Hindi dahil sa pera, dahil marami siyang katulong. Marami din siyang ari-arian. He was a Russian count. Ibig sabihin, meron talagang posisyon sa community. But still, he keep on writing. When he was asked by a friend, bakit ka pa rin nagsusulat? Sabi niya, mamamatay ako kung hindi ako magsusulat. That's what keeps him moving. It's not money, it's not fame, because kilala na siya, but it's a driving force within his heart that keeps him moving. The same is true with Paul, no? Para kay Paul, he was moved by something, a greater force within himself, na hindi lang basta pagkatawag, hindi lang basta ito ordinaryong pagkatawag para sa kanya. Sinabi niya, I have to go. Kailangan kong umalis. Sinabi niya, alam ko na pagdating ko sa Jerusalem, they will bound me, they will imprison me, they will afflict me, but still, nothing of these things can stop me. The Spirit already warned me, sabi ni Paul. I have to go. I have to go. Ito po ang napakagandang motivation para po sa isang Kristiyano. Ano po ba ang nagpapakilos sa atin? Ano po ba ang nagtutulak sa atin para gawin ang mga bagay? Tayo ba'y nagsisimba dahil sa ating mga kaibigan lang? O dahil nagsisimba dahil meron tayong pangangailangan? O dahil sa kabutihang loob na binigay sa atin ng Panginoon? Look for a higher cause. Look for a higher motivating factor of doing things for God. Ang pinakamaganda po na driving force is gratitude, no? Driven by gratitude. Kung ang gratitude po ang siyang naging motivating factor natin when we are moving or when we are doing things, we want to do things accordingly. Ang gusto po natin when we are driven by gratitude, ginagawa ko ito because I'm so happy. I'm so thankful for what the Lord has done for me. And I just want to give Him glory, to give Him honor for the things that I have done. Di pa ba napakaganda if we are motivated by gratitude, by thanksgiving? Church of the Living God, I hope there's something drives us to do something for the Lord. Not ego, not arrogance, not the negative forces, but thanksgiving the grace and mercy of God. I hope itong mga bagay na ito ang siyang naging motivating factor natin, naging driving force sa buhay po natin. Muli pong nagbabalik ang inyong lingkod. Ang awitin po na inyong narinig is Praise His Name ni Jeff and Sherry Easter, no? Sa kanilang album na Praise His Name din. Patuloy po tayo dito sa biblical truth na akin pong sinulat. I really want to share to you this point, no? The motivation keeps the person moving. Kung meron po tayong motivation sa puso natin, we will be moving all the way. The root word, no, sa etymology po, ang word na motivation is came from the word mut, na ang ibig pong sabihin is to move. 'Di ba? Remote. Pinamove mo yung TV, motor. Mut po din po yung umpisa niya, no? So lahat po ng may mut, automobile. Yung may move po, may motion na nangyayari. So the root po niyan is to move. If you are motivated, you will be moved. You are keep on moving. Another point is, no one can stop a person who is motivated. It is a driving force that keeps the person in motion. Totoo po yan. Kung motivated po tayo, ito po yung naging driving force po natin upang gumawa sa mga bagay-bagay. Sana po, ang motivation natin, ang driving force natin is love. Ang driving force po natin is mercy, grace, gratitude. Itong mga bagay po na ito, yung values po sana ang maging driving force ng isang Kristiyano sa paggawa para sa gawain ng Panginoon. That's my longing, that every Christian will be moved by good values or by the values that are presented in the Bible. Not just, hindi lang basta they are moved by something. Kasi ang iba is moved by greed. Gumagawa ang iba, moved by greed. Ang iba naman is moved by money. Gumagawa dahil may sweldo. Gumagawa dahil may pera. It's a wrong driving force. It's a wrong motivation or a motivational factor that can be used. Kasi hindi din yan magtatagal, mga kapatid. As a Christian, I'm challenging you to keep on motion, to be motivated by gratitude. Yung pagpapasalamat. If we are filled with gratitude of what the Lord has done in our life, hindi po mahirap ibigay ang mga bagay para sa gawain ng Panginoon. Hindi po mahirap ibigay ang ating panahon sa Kanya because we are motivated by greater things, the great force within. Everyone is driven by something. The question is, what moves us? Yun ang question. Hindi po question kung we are motivated or not. The question is, what moves us? What motivates us to do things? Kung ang namumove po sa atin is influences, peer pressure, mga kabarkada, it's a wrong motivation. But if God moves us to do things accordingly, it's a greater factor or greater force for us. Another point po na binanggit ko dito, I want for gratitude to drive me. God's grace and mercy motivates me to continue what the Lord have started in me. I know God have started the things in me. Marami siyang bagay inumpisan sa akin. At maraming mga bagay in-establish ang Lord. No, may mga panahon na nagtuturo ako about finances. May mga panahon na nagtuturo ako ng practical living. All of this was not motivated by any greed. I am so thankful. God moves me in doing this because of my gratitude of His life, of what He has given in me, of His grace for me. Dahil sa napakabuti po ng ating Panginoon, nothing can stop us to move towards the direction of helping other people. I want to challenge you once again. Be motivated by the values God presented. And the good values or value that we need to develop to become a driving force is driven by gratitude. This gratitude should be a driving force for us to continue in the service for the Lord. God bless po at sana mayroon po tayong natutunan sa umagang ito. God bless.